Hello, in this video we're going to be taking an in-depth look on the EV3 sound block. To open up the sound block tutorial, open your LEGO Mindstorms program, then click on Tutorials, then go to the Basics Hardware, then as you can see, the first one is the brake sound. And now you can press open. So here we are at the tutorial page, and it's called the brake sound. And our objective is going to be play sound via the EV3 brakes built-in speaker. And this is what it's going to sound like. So now let's learn how they did this, and we can go on to the next page. So on the next page, they built the EV3 brake. Basically, what this means is that they put the provided battery pack onto the brake. And this is basically what it looks like. So they basically just put the battery pack in, and you also have to charge it for the brake to turn on. And that's basically what you have to do. So now, let's go on to the third page. So we're at page 3, which is an interactive animation. And let's learn what each of these blocks do. So right when the program begins, it plays the fanfare sound at 100% power volume. And after that, it plays a musical note at 440 Hz. And it plays it for 1 second. And it plays it at 100% volume, which is maximum volume. And after that, it plays the boing sound effect, and it keeps repeating because you can see this icon here. And it also plays at 100% volume. Then after that, it waits 3 seconds, so the boing sound effect keeps getting played over and over for 3 seconds. Then it stops the sound, which stops all the sound, and it makes the brake quiet. So let's see what each of these blocks sound like. So on the first block, I'll click it for you. And you could have heard the fanfare sound. And then you can hear the musical note at 440 Hz. And you could have heard the boing sound played for 3 seconds. Then you can't really hear the mute sound because there's no sound playing right now, and yeah. So now let's go on to the fourth page. So now we have to recreate the program, and we already have our start block. So let's go ahead and get the sound block from the green tab, which is the action tab, and let's change the file to the fanfare. And next, let's add the musical note. And to do that, let's get another sound block, and let's change it to play tone. And by default, it's set to 440 Hz, and so everything's right. So now let's get another sound block, and let's change the file to the boing file. And we want this to keep playing, so let's change it to repeat, so it'll keep playing forever. But we don't want it to keep playing forever, so let's get the wait block. And we want it to wait 3 seconds. So let's change it to 3. Then let's mute all the volume. So finally I got the log block. Let's get stop. So we have recreated the program. So now let's go on to the next step. So now we have to modify our program. So say we want a different file, we can click over here, and EV3 comes with a lot of files, so we can just select a random one, say Bravo.
Bravo.
And let's change the tone, maybe to like D flat, and we can keep playing it for like 7 seconds. And maybe we can change the power value, maybe the sound to like 53. Maybe it'll be less quiet. And here, maybe let's just make it so it plays once. And we can remove the wait block. So guys, the possibilities are endless. And you guys can mess around with these blocks and create something unique. And if you guys want to share it with me, just send me a link of the file you made. So guys, that's the end of this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.